Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Today, we've got a topic that might seem daunting at first, but fear not. We're breaking it down into easy steps. If you've ever wondered how to remove your vehicle's engine without breaking a sweat, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we guide you through a stress-free process to get that engine out efficiently. Easy steps to remove your vehicle engine without stress. Are you looking to tackle the challenge of removing a vehicle engine but not sure where to start? Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, understanding the process of engine removal is a valuable skill that can save you time and money in the long run. In this guide, we'll delve into the importance of knowing how to remove a vehicle engine, the common reasons for engine removal, and provide a brief overview of the steps involved in the process. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the fundamentals and be ready to tackle this task with confidence. Let's get started. Understanding the need for engine removal. When it comes to vehicle maintenance, there are various situations where engine removal becomes necessary. Whether it's for an overhaul, replacement, or repair, the need to remove the engine is a crucial aspect of ensuring the vehicle's optimal performance. Common reasons for engine removal. Engines are complex systems that undergo wear and tear over time. In cases of extensive damage or malfunction, a complete overhaul or replacement becomes essential. When components like the cylinder head, pistons, or camshaft require attention, removing the engine is often the most efficient approach to carry out necessary repairs or replacements. Additionally, for performance enthusiasts looking to upgrade their engines, removal is the first step in the modification process, allowing for a comprehensive examination and alteration of internal components. Signs that engine removal may be necessary. Detecting signs that indicate the need for engine removal is crucial in preventing further damage to the vehicle. Symptoms such as excessive smoke from the exhaust, unusual knocking noises, or a noticeable loss of power during acceleration can point to internal issues that require a closer inspection. Addressing these warning signs promptly by considering engine removal can prevent more extensive damage and potential safety hazards on the road. Preparing for engine removal. Before you start the engine removal process, it's crucial to gather the necessary tools and equipment and ensure safety measures are in place to avoid any mishaps. Gathering necessary tools and equipment. To successfully remove the vehicle engine, you will need the following tools and equipment. Engine hoist. A sturdy engine hoist is essential for lifting the engine out of the vehicle safely. Wrenches. Various sizes of wrenches will be required for disconnecting components such as the exhaust system, transmission, and engine mounts. Socket sets. A comprehensive set of sockets and ratchets will aid in loosening and removing bolts and nuts throughout the removal process. Safety gear. Wear appropriate safety gear, including gloves, goggles, and protective clothing, to prevent any injuries during the engine removal. Ensuring safety measures. Safety should always be a top priority when removing an engine. Before commencing the removal process, take the following safety measures. Disconnect the battery. This will prevent any electrical mishaps while working on the engine. Drain fluids. Ensure all fluids such as oil and coolant are drained from the engine and associated components to avoid spillage during removal. Secure the vehicle. Use wheel chocks and jack stands to stabilize the vehicle and prevent any unexpected movement while the engine is being removed. By having the necessary tools and equipment ready and ensuring safety measures are in place, you can proceed with confidence in the engine removal process. Step-by-step process of engine removal. When it comes to removing a vehicle engine, it's essential to follow a systematic approach to ensure a smooth extraction. Below we'll delve into the step-by-step process, addressing each crucial aspect for a successful engine removal. Disconnecting electrical and mechanical components. Firstly, before anything else, it's vital to disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical mishaps. Next, the removal of the radiator allows for better access to the engine. Loosening hoses and disconnecting electrical components such as the wiring harnesses, sensors, and connectors is a meticulous but necessary task to ensure a seamless engine removal process. Removing the transmission and exhaust system. Detaching the transmission from the engine is a significant step involving the removal of the bell housing bolts and any other connections between the transmission and engine. Additionally, the exhaust system needs to be carefully disconnected from the engine, including the removal of exhaust manifolds and related components to ensure a clear path for engine removal. Hoisting and removing the engine. An engine hoist is a crucial tool for lifting the engine safely and efficiently. Before hoisting, the engine mounts need to be removed to ensure the engine is free from any connections to the vehicle. Careful extraction of the engine from the vehicle is the final step, ensuring that no components are damaged during the removal process. Post-removal considerations. After successfully removing the vehicle engine, it's important to consider several key factors before proceeding with the reinstallation process. This includes inspecting and cleaning the engine bay, as well as understanding when professional assistance might be necessary and taking the required safety precautions. Inspecting and cleaning the engine bay. Inspecting the engine bay is crucial to ensure that there are no leaks or issues that may have arisen during the removal process. Look for any signs of oil, coolant, or fuel leaks and address them before proceeding. Additionally, cleaning the engine bay will not only prevent any dirt or debris from entering the engine during reinstallation, but also provide a fresh start for the engine in its newly renovated space. Prepping the vehicle for engine reinstallation involves cleaning the engine bay thoroughly. This can be achieved by using a degreaser to remove any built-up grime, followed by a rinse with water. It's also helpful to cover the exposed areas of the vehicle to prevent any foreign objects from entering the engine bay. Professional assistance and safety precautions. In some cases, seeking professional assistance for the engine reinstallation may be necessary, especially if the removal process revealed any unexpected issues or complexities. This is particularly important if you lack the expertise or tools to handle any complications that may arise during the reinstallation. Emphasizing safety precautions during the engine removal and reinstallation is crucial. This includes ensuring that the vehicle is properly supported, using appropriate lifting equipment, and following all safety guidelines to prevent any accidents or injuries. Prioritize using sturdy support stands and employing the buddy system when lifting heavy components. By ensuring that the engine bay is thoroughly inspected and cleaned, and by understanding the scenarios where professional assistance and safety precautions are indispensable, you set the stage for a successful and secure engine reinstallation process. In conclusion, removing a vehicle engine is a task that requires careful attention to detail and adherence to proper procedures. By following the key points outlined in this guide, you can ensure a smooth and successful engine removal process. It is essential to emphasize the importance of taking the time to understand the specific requirements of your vehicle make and model, as well as seeking professional assistance if needed. And there you have it, folks. Easy steps to remove your vehicle's engine without stress. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.